In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bank account from Square. The truth is, delete isn't always straightforward with Square. In many cases, you can't simply remove a bank account without first linking a new one. So I'll show you exactly how to replace the bank account your payouts go to, and what to do if you want the old one gone entirely. Start by signing into your Square dashboard on the web. From there, open Settings, then go to Account and Settings, choose Banking, and select Bank Accounts. This is where you manage the account Square uses for your payouts. Look for the option to add or change a bank account. Depending on your version, it might say Add External Bank Account, Link Bank Account, or Change Bank Account. Enter the details for the new bank account, such as the routing and account numbers, and follow the on-screen verification steps. Verification can vary, but the goal is to prove the new account belongs to you. Keep an eye out for prompts from Square in case they need more information. Once the new bank account is successfully verified, it becomes the active payout destination. That means future transfers from Square will go to this new account automatically. When your new account is active, your old bank account is typically deprioritized for payouts. It may still appear in your list of bank accounts, but it won't be marked as active. That's normal and doesn't affect where your funds are sent. If you want to double-check, revisit the banking section and confirm the active label is on the correct account. It's also a good practice to ensure the last 4 digits match the new account you intended to use. Now, if your goal is to fully remove a bank account with no replacement at all, Square generally doesn't allow you to delete your only linked bank account from the dashboard. This limitation has been confirmed in discussions on Square's community forum. If you absolutely need the bank account removed with nothing linked in its place, you'll need to reach out to Square support directly and request assistance. To summarize, the smoothest path is to add and verify a new bank account from the dashboard, which automatically shifts your payouts and renders the old account inactive. If complete removal is necessary, contact support to see what options are available for your specific situation. And that's how you handle removing or changing a bank account linked to Square.